All right, if you're working with other people on the same document. Yeah, Google Docs makes collaboration super easy. In this full guide, I'll show you how to collaborate in real time using Google Docs, step by step. First, open the Google Docs file you want to collaborate on. Now click the Share button in the top right corner. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to work with. Choose whether they can view, comment, or edit the document. For real-time collaboration, make sure they have editing access. Once they join, you'll see their cursor and edits appear live inside the document. You can leave comments or switch to suggesting mode to review edits without changing the original text directly. If multiple people are online, you can even use the built-in chat feature. Use version history to see who made changes and restore older versions if needed. Google Docs saves changes automatically, so everyone always sees the latest version. And yeah, that's how you collaborate in real time on Google Docs. Simple setup, and teamwork becomes way faster and smoother.